When you start up your PlayStation 4, do you get this message that says no signal and nothing displays on the screen? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the PS4 Hdmi no signal coming up next on YourSixStudios. If this is your first time watching a YourSixStudios video, make sure you leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I love showing you guys tech help videos for the PlayStation 4 and live streaming on this channel. So the first thing we will need to do is completely turn off our PlayStation 4 and not have it in rest mode. So there will be no lights displayed on our PlayStation 4 console whatsoever, and we're going to launch it into safe mode. So let's turn off our PlayStation 4 right now. Okay, so I'm turning off my PlayStation 4, and you guys have unplugged your PlayStation 4 from the wall. Go ahead and plug it back in at this point in time, and just make sure it's not in rest mode. Okay, so our PlayStation 4 is 100% turned off. Go ahead and hold down the power button. You'll hear one beep, wait 7 seconds, and you'll hear another beep, then let go. So I heard that second beep. I'm letting go of my PlayStation 4 power button, and it should launch it into safe mode. And you should see the screen come up, and it says safe mode. You will need to connect your PlayStation 4 controller to the console via a USB cord. So go ahead and do that now, and once that's connected, press the PlayStation button, and go down to option number 2. Change resolution. The PS4 will restart after restarted. Select the video output resolution and press OK. So our PlayStation 4 has restarted, and it's given us an option of different resolutions. Right now I have it set to automatic. I'm going to go ahead and press X and enter it right now. And it's going to automatically find the resolution best for my monitor or my TV. And as you can see, my screen is fully taken up by my display on my PlayStation 4. Now you may have at some point in time accidentally changed the resolution of your PlayStation 4 where it's displaying something that your monitor doesn't recognize. So it shows up no signal. Now if you are still having no signal issues with your PlayStation 4, check the HDMI cable and maybe try a different HDMI cable that connects from your PlayStation 4 to your TV. And the second thing you can do is completely unplug everything around your TV and your PlayStation 4 and do a hard reset of everything. Unplug it, then wait about 60 seconds, and then plug everything back in. And this should fix most of the no signal issues that you guys are having with your PlayStation 4. If this video helped you out at all, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up on the video and subscribe to my channel down below. And check out some of the other content coming up on YourSixStudios.